So today we'll talk about a nested view. So you may think about that why nested view is required, and you already know that what is the view and why again nested view is required. So the main purpose of this, if you check in the panel, you can see that this panel is already complex. There are so many like button, input text and fragmented text, so many things is there. So that is the reason actually the nested view concept came, and the nested view is itself a component and it can call from another components. So that is the reason you can split your project into different part based using that components. So that is basically the nested view, so that your application structure is much easier to understand, and the individual parts of the app can be reused. So it would be easier to understand and individual parts you can reuse. So that is the reason actually nested view concept come. So let's start with that. So first of all, what we will do, where we can start, like you can see that here that is the main view, but we will move this everything into another view, and later we'll call another view to this, so then it will behave as a nested view. So that is the reason, let's first create a view. So if we create a view, and from here, like that is the panel, so we don't want this panel here, we want to create another view like that is called hello panel dot view dot xml. So here that is another view, and this view you can MVC the same way, view, you can close the view, and here you can paste that all panel what you copied from the main view. But this view you have to do something, still it is not complete, so you have to use the controller name. Controller name is the sap.ui.demo.controller.hello panel, and we also have to xml-ns, so that is the sap.m where we can inherit everything. And now you can XML here, and actually that is the MVC. So now you can see that all error already gone, because first time it was not included. So here what we have to do, sap.ui.core.mbc. Okay, so this is fine. So now actually in that panel we can we don't need to check those, because actually it is come from that view. So basically that is on kind of independent view here. So now the formatted text, everything is there. So now what we have done, we basically separate the view from the main panel. So now we already know that view name is actually hello panel. So now what we will do, we are just copying this, and if we go to the app view, and here actually we'll call this view. So this embassy XML view name embassy XML view name, that is basically that SAP UI demo, and it's I just copied from I just copied from that controller, but it should be view because basically that is the view, it's not the controller, but I copied from that controller, so that's why. So now it's good. So here if we refresh, so now it's not good. So if we just press the F12, you can see that hello panel view could not be loaded. So here view hello panel. So now if we that is the another way that how you can debug your issue, that if anywhere it is not working, then you can actually, that is the way that you have to check. So now if we refresh again, so again F12, you can see where is the problem. So hello panel, actually controller is not there. It should be, because actually we didn't create any controller. So now we will create the controller. So where we will create the controller, we will create controller inside that controller panel or the controller folder. So here actually we will create the new hello panel controller, the JS. So now actually what you can do, if we go to that app controller, so now you can see that basically that time everything was collecting from the app controller, but now actually we have changed, we created the new controller. So what we will do, so here is a function, and here is the, where is the button function. So now if we that is the hello panel, and now app view, and that is the controller, and here like on show button, I mean that that is only one function here. So what we will do, we will remove this from here, and we will paste in the uh, newly created view. So now create a view sap.ui.define. So here we have to put the function here, and in that dependency we have to call the same way sap UI dot core mbc mbc controller. The controller is also automatically coming here, and another is that sap.m sap.m message toast. So actually this is ready, and the controller also ready. So if we refresh, it's still not good. So here actually we have to do it. So here actually that is not like user restrict, but actually we have to use the return concept here. So return controller dot extend, then we have to put that is sap.ui. I am just copying from here, copying paste here, and we have to put the curly brackets. So that is done. Basically inside this we have to put the function. All function will be there. So if we refresh that, still is not good. So now we need to check actually F12. So container work to app error found in the view XML node. So now there is some issue with this. So if we go to the XML view, let's check where is that issue here. So now MBC controller name, hello panel, and core auto, it's look good. So if I go to the controller, hello panel, it is also hello panel, and that is look good. So now that is the page reference controller. That is XML view, and that is the controller.js. This is just use restrict. Use restrict should be like this. So now still there is an issue. new. Okay, then we are using the return controller extent SAP UI5 walkthrough, then controller and hello panel, then on show hello, that is the event, and then function. Inside that function we use the message, and here this the hello world is look good. If we go to the app view XML, okay, so here, so basically issue was that there was another, which is here, so that is the reason you can see that all just got stuck. But my intention was that you can also find out that how I can actually do this situation, how I can handle the situation to find error. So now you can see that everything is same, but the main difference is that now the page that is like this page, and that is the nested view. So same way, if you want other things, other view, like for example, that is for the all, like on view, that is actually, so in another page you can call the same view, or in that main page you can add another view. So that is the that is the reason actually that nested view we use, and it is important. So that's all. Let's continue with the dialogues and fragments in the next video. Thank you.